Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to place and combine pictures side by side in Microsoft Word in a clean, professional way. This technique is extremely useful for reports, assignments, comparisons, brochure, posters, certificates, and professional document layout. Many users paste image randomly, which causes uneven spacing, misalignment, and layout breaks. In this video, we will discover simple and reliable methods to align, resize, and combine images side by side while keeping your document neat and visually balanced. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document and insert the picture. Now I am go to the insert menu. Click this picture option. Then choose to picture, press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard. Then select the first picture and go to format menu. Click wrap text option. Choose in front of text. Then resize the image. Then select the second picture and make same. Then resize the picture. Now I place the picture side by side. Press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple image. Go to the format menu and align on top. Then select single picture and use keyboard arrow to combine the picture. Then press and hold shift and select multiple. Then click this group option, make it group. Now we combine these two pictures side by side very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.